Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Instagram account public. Many new Instagram accounts are set to private by default, limiting who can see your content. Switching to a public profile means anyone can view your posts, stories, and reels, greatly expanding your audience. This is a simple process that takes just a few moments to complete. Let's get started by opening the Instagram app. Once you are on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines or dots located in the top right corner of your screen. Tapping this icon will open a side menu with several options. From this list, you will need to select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including your privacy preferences. It's a crucial step to access the necessary controls. Now that you are in the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down until you find the option labeled Account Privacy. Tap on this to proceed. Inside, you will see a clear toggle switch marked Private Account. If it is currently blue or green, your account is private. Simply tap this toggle to turn it off, making your account public. The app will ask you to confirm your choice. With your account now public, your content is visible to everyone on Instagram, not just your approved followers. This significantly boosts your discoverability, allowing more people to find and engage with your posts, stories, and reels. It opens up new avenues for growth and connection within the Instagram community. Remember, you can always revert to a private account if your preferences change in the future.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.